Hey guys, welcome back. Now Bitcoin has down to 24,000 guys, which is insane. By the way, we are talking about Binance Futures here, and for spot, you basically want to accumulate Bitcoin as it goes down. My next target is 20,000. I already buy some Bitcoin here for the spot market. I already accumulate some Bitcoin, and my next target is 20,000 here. I'm gonna accumulate some Bitcoin again. If it goes even down, this is the worst case scenario, probably 12,000. So the market is very bearish as for now. A quick heads up though, for those of you guys who have access to the private trading, again, I already emailed you the private trading for those of you who use AntBot, and a lot of people don't actually watch this trading, which is very important, and yet not many people watch it. I just made this video 3 days ago, and it's only one person who watched it, which is myself. So please pay attention to the training, guys. Okay, if you don't pay attention, you could have big floating loss. In the training, I specifically tell you, I tell you how to make this kind of chart, how you should literally single run your long position when the market hit right here. Okay, when it hits right here. Let me show you here. Okay, single run or cut loss your long position. As you can see, it goes down, right? Because this is the overbought area. Again, pay attention to the training, guys. So if you were to pay attention, you could have saved negative 24% of your trading positions. Okay, so you can only leave your short position open. Okay, your short position would make money, okay, if the market is going down. So if you have floating positions, you just wait the market to go up again, and when it's overbought, you can again stop your long positions, and then when it's at this top, you can start some short position and wait for it to go down. It's very basic and simple, guys, and yet a lot of people don't pay attention and they don't actually do it. Okay, so please pay attention to your tradings, okay, and pay attention to the market. What's happening with the market? If it broke out of this range, it's time to cut loss. Okay, that's what I found to be very effective using a bot, because the bot only effective when in the ranging market. If it goes down like this, you just want to leave your short position. Sacrifice your long position, guys, because your short position is gonna keep making money. Okay, and your long position, you can cut loss it here, and you should actually cut loss it right here when this exact spot. Okay, I already have the training. Again, please go back to this spreadsheet that I have sent you through email and click it, guys. Click it and watch it, understand it, and implement it. All right.